welcome back to our house, living with the Lindsays. So today I'm going to be making butter crunch cookies. I'm looking over here, but I need to be looking right here. Butter crunch, something called butter crunch cookies. This is my first time making them. I'm doing a trial run because I want to make these for my god baby birthday. So let me show you the ingredients. Okay, so what you're gonna need, but I don't think I'm probably gonna use all these because the recipe I got don't call for all this, but I still googled the recipe of the butter crunch cookies. So it calls for egg, cornstarch. This is the list that this is the one I had got off the internet. But the one I'm getting from the lady, she didn't use all these. So I just overspent for no reason. But anyway, eggs, cornstarch, heavy whipping cream, unbleached flour, unsalted butter, baking soda, salt, baking powder, semi-chunks, because one had the chunks in it, powdered sugar, and light brown sugar, and vanilla. And let's get started. Alright, y'all, I'm back and I'm trying to make the caramel crunch for the butter, for the butter crunch cookies. As y'all know, last time Carmel defeated me, but I went down a rabbit hole and realized the mistakes I was making, and I kept adding water, which I wasn't supposed to. So I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar, and I got it on a little bit. I got it on number 4 on my thing instead of medium heat, medium low heat. I got it on number 4 because yeah, we just gonna try it this way. So let's see what happens. Once the water evaporates out of here, I'm supposed to keep stirring. And that was my problem last time. I kept adding water. So we're gonna see what happens. It's now, let's see, 4 o'clock. Let's see how long it takes to make it. Okay, this is where I'm supposed to keep stirring until it starts turning brown. Do not add no water. They said do not lose faith. Keep stirring. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, we'll be back when it starts turning brown. Okay, it's turning brown. I'm keeping the faith. Uh-oh. Yes, I did it. I'm doing it. Okay, so it's about almost done. So what I have to do is add 2 tablespoons or either 3 tablespoons of butter. I think I cut 3 and add the butter to it. And then I'm going to put it on this parchment paper and let it get hard, and then I break it up into the cookies. So I added the butter and just stir it in until the bubbles go out, and I'm going to let Nalissa record me pouring it. So yeah, y'all, I did it this time. I'm so proud. So I added salt in the butter. As you see, now I'm finna get ready to pour it on this parchment paper so it can get hard and get crunchy. And we finna have some butter crunch cookies with chocolate chunks. And I'll come back when I make the cookie dough. Let it spread out a little bit more so it can turn again. I made caramel. Why did you give me to me? Okay, so now we're back and we're supposed to melt the butter. 2 sticks of butter. days. Net them on up. I'm just gonna let them melt and then I'll be back. Okay, so my butter is melted. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay. Now I'm supposed to add, let me see, brown sugar, 3/4 brown sugar. Can y'all see them? Yeah, you can see them. Okay, that's 3/4. And then I need 3/4 cup of sugar. And let me stir that up. Stirred that. All right, we need some vanilla. It don't say how much vanilla. It just said vanilla. So I'm just gonna overdo it as usual. Okay. Heavy whipping cream. I need 2 tablespoons of that. So I have a tablespoon right here. I feel like I need another one. I'm sorry. Don't do what I do. Follow the directions. Stir, stir, stir. Stirred it all up. Now I need to add, I added everything. Now I even add 2 cold eggs. And stir that up. Stir, stir, stir. All right, so next we need this is my sifter. I don't have I'm not a real, I'm playing with baking. I'm not a real baker, so I don't have the nice stuff. So, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 of baking soda, And it says 1 of salt. But I want to, when I put this salt in here, I want to be stirring it because I really don't want it stuck in one spot. So let me get to stirring. And add my salt. Alright, and it says I need 2 cups of flour. Oh, maybe I poured it in. There we go. Let me stop this because it's getting a little long. Okay, I sifted all the flour in. Yes, I did. Sifted it all in. Now I'm just stirring it. Oh no, we want you in the bucket. We want you in the bucket. Y'all, I feel like this ain't cooking yet. This looks, do this look like a dough? It look more like a paste. Should I add some more flour? Smells good. Let me go look at this, ladies, and make sure. What the hell, lady? Okay, I really couldn't find. I looked at the one video. Her dough does kind of look like this, and I remember that you're supposed to put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. So that's probably why you gotta put it in there for 4 hours. But y'all, I added another half a cup of flour. I don't know if I should have did that. So let's move on to the next part of this phase. Okay, now this next part calls for, let me open this, the chocolate chunks. Oh, I don't know. Oh God, I didn't mean to put all of those. Oh, okay. Don't do this at home. Hold on. Okay, so I got some of the chocolate side, and I'm mixing it in. No, you see I'm recording. Alright, well, I'll clean this. Sorry. And mixing it and mixing it. Alright, now let's get to. Alright, the next part is the caramel that we made earlier. We break it up. Oh, let me break it up. Oh no. Now break it over here. I might need a knife. I did it! It's crunch. I'm so proud of myself. Take a picture of this like this. Oh, turn it off while I do this. Alright, I had to crush it all up. The caramel chunks that I made. And you fold them in. To the batter. Here, taste a piece of this and tell me what you think. What you did? Well, she thinks it's great. What happened? Pour some more in there.
That was good, huh, lady?
Okay.
There we go.
What lady
Well,
doing?
if you want to know my honest opinion, it's good.
Thank you.
Lady ate some.
By accident. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna put some more in here. So I feel like you need to be.
This is good. This is like a real deal whole thing.
Thank you. Your mother did that. As always, what is that? I'm sorry, I stuck my phone.
Yo, y'all want to taste this? Take a little bit. Take a little bit. All right, now chill out.
I am. That's the last little bit I'm gonna put in here. Okay, now, give me a bowl to pour this in.
A bowl?
Yeah, to pour that extra caramel in. Maybe I'll melt it and add some heavy whipping cream and make a sauce. All right, and then we're gonna come back. Okay, we're back. And now I have some parchment paper on my cookie sheet. I'm gonna put a little oil on my cookie. What is this? Ice cream scooper. So let's scooper. Should scoop up a couple of them. Oh, I'm thinking, okay, there you go. And then after that, it says put in the refrigerator for 4 hours. And in 4 hours, we'll be back. Okay, so the cookies have been in longer than 4 hours because the time that I was supposed to put them in was like 10 something, and I go to bed kind of early. So it's the next morning. And I preheated my oven to 350 already, and it says bake for 10 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. You see that caramel crunch? Yeah. Okay, so Nellie's gonna try a cookie.
Let me get this one.
I knew you was gonna pick down because you see that big old caramel piece. It's supposed to be like that. It's
Nice.
all right.
You know, crunch.
It's good. Ah, I'm so excited. So what do you rate it?
For me, because I don't really
Hurry up now.
like caramel, I give it an 8 out of 10.
Okay. Thank you.
So I changed my score. I don't have one. It's just delish.